If you're looking for a great bicycle floor pump at a reasonable price, look no farther than the Beetle floor pump. I'll put the link for Amazon in the description below. I'm going to compare this to another pump I have. We'll go over all the features and specs of this great pump. One of the great features I like is this large, easy to read pressure gauge. It's right up towards the top of the pump. A lot of them are mounted down here towards the floor, and they're hard to read. This one's pretty large, it's easy to read. I'll put a cell phone next to it so you can kind of see a size comparison. It's about 2.5 inches in diameter. It's one of the larger pressure gauges you can get on a floor pump. Now for comparison, this is a Toe Peak Joe Blow pump on my right, and this is the Beetle pump on the left. As you can see, the gauge over here, much easier to read. It's a lot more clear. The numbers are bigger. Just an overall better gauge. Another feature I like is the head design. The list does Schrader, Presta, and Dunlop valves, and a lot of them are kind of a two-way valve or 180 degrees apart, where this one they're both on one side. So if you look at the Toe Peak Joe Blow head, there's your size comparison. You do have to flip this lever one way or another as far as whichever valve you have connected. And size comparison this way. And size comparison this way. Now something else I like about this pump is it has a ball needle set stored right in the handle. So if you need to air up a basketball or soccer ball for the kids or yourself, it's stored right there and out of the way. Here's the Toe Peak Joe Blow pump, and the ball needle set is actually stored down here. And as you can see, there's nothing there. That's because they easily get knocked off and broken. Now this is standard on a lot of pumps, but it does have a pressure bleeder right here. In case you overinflate, you can deflate down to the desired pressure. Now the base of this pump is a composite plastic. It's very sturdy. It doesn't have a whole lot of grip, but it is wide enough you can get both feet on no problem. Now the Toe Peak Joe Blow, this is a metal base. As you can see, it's already quite rusty and it's not even that old. So this pump here is going to look good for a long time. And if this one here is out on your garage floor, you're going to have rust spots on your concrete. So let's head out to the garage and we'll air up that flat mountain bike tire. So as you can see, the front tire on my mountain bike is flat. This is a 29 inch 2.1. I'm going to hook up the Beetle pump, count how many pumps it takes to get it to 45 psi. I have exactly 60 pumps to get this to 45 psi. I'm going to go ahead and let all the air out again, and we're going to try that Toe Peak Joe Blow pump. We got the tire flattened out and the Joe Blow pump hooked up, and we're going to see how many pumps it takes to pump it up to 45 psi. I got it up to 45 psi. It was 82 pumps with the Joe Blow pump. If you're looking for a good quality air pump at an affordable price, look no farther than the Beetle pump. You have a large, easy to read dial, you have the in-handle storage, the nice two-way head, plastic rust-free base, 42-inch pressure hose. It's pretty much got all the features you need. There'll be a link for Amazon in the description below. Hope this video was helpful and informational, and thanks for watching.